Today's our topic reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can edit our pics or pictures in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we will click on it and this small pop-up will come and we have to click on it and it will take us directly into our system and we will choose our pic. And after choosing the pic, we have to click open and now all we have to just click or hit enter and your pic will be uploaded here. So it's taking a little time. Yes, this there is a picture and now you have to click on it, right click on it, copy image address or copy link, both are same. So you have to click on it and your link will be copied. So come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt and you have to paste your link of this picture here. So with the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and now I will write my prompt here. So here is our prompt. You can see and read. Walking in a city at night with cars in the style of cyberpunk futurism, nostalgic paintings, 32K UHD, dark turquoise and red light or light red, whatever you want to say. So all we have to just is that we have to click on it and we will see that what MidJourney will give us results. So here is our 4 pictures that MidJourney has provided us. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. U1 to U4 mean if you want to upscale any of these pictures, you have to click according to the number 1, 2, 3, 4. U1, U2, U3, U4. And V1 to V4 mean if you want more 4 variations of any of these pictures, you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. Reroll means if you will click on reroll, you will get more 4 pictures. So let me open it in a new tab so we can see these pictures in full quality. In these pictures, I will choose picture 2 and I want more 4 variations of this picture. So according to picture 2, number 2, we will click on V2. When we will click on V2, we will get this result. And let me open it also in a new tab. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. You can now choose any of these pictures. If you want to upscale, you have to click on U1, U2, U3, U4. If you want 4 more variations, you have to click V1 to V4. So in this case, I will say that I don't like any of these expressions. So I will go back and I will choose this picture. So I will choose this picture, picture number 2. For this, what I have to do is that I have to click U2. We will not upscale any of these pictures, but we want to upscale picture number 2. So when we will click on U2, our result will be this. And here is our final result and you can see that this is the result of our picture that MidJourney has provided us.